Good morning, Kurt here with Teach Mom How. This morning I'm going to teach you how to print preview, how to preview a print in Excel before you actually print it so you don't waste paper and ink. All right, so let's get started. So let's say I'm going to print all of this data or some of this data. I'm going to simply push Command P. Command P on a Mac or Control P if I'm on a C. That will open up my print window. In the print window, you can choose what you actually print. I did a tutorial on that earlier, but let's say we want to check it out. If we want to check it out, scroll down here and where you see PDF in the dropdown, click that dropdown and choose Open in Preview. Open that in a preview, and that's going to open what you've got selected to print. So if I scroll through mine, this is what page 1 is going to look like, page 2, and page 3. All right, if that doesn't look how I want to, then I want to go back to the drawing board and not print it. But that's why it's a good idea to always preview your print. I'll show you one last time how to do that. Push Command P or Control P if you're on a PC. That's going to open, Command P or Control P is going to open our print window. Then down here is PDF. We drop down that and we choose Open in Preview. That is how you preview a print before you actually print it so you don't waste paper and ink in Excel. Hope that helped. Check out the other Excel tutorials. There's a link to that playlist in the description. And please take a moment and subscribe to Teach Mom How. Have a great day.